In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a team member on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, for you in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. So then you'd like just go here to the URL and type asana.com and hit the enter button. So of course, when you do that, let's just wait until the page load. They will just actually take you into the home page of Asana website, which will be this in a moment. Sorry, yeah, this one. So of course, first of all, before starting using the website, you would like to go and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, just go and create your account with Gmail if you want, if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, right? Anyway, so after you log in into your account, as I said, this will actually be your home or your main screen. And of course, first of all, you would like to go to like your workspace. So as you can see, your workspace, in my workspace at the moment, it has just me, which is this is my account. And of course, if you would like to invite members, you can just go and click here and type their email addresses right here. And of course, you can even add to this project or any other projects you want. So just type the project that you want to here to add any members into it. So let's say as an example, you already have your friends right here. So of course, first of all, if you have any persons in your workspace or a project, you'll find their icon right here, and you can even invite more as I show you. And of course, you would like to go to your home screen, as you will be, of course, you should be at your home screen anyway, and you'll need to scroll down until you find this people option. So of course, as you can see, for me, I can here invite people, but for you, if you have any people here and you want to remove them as a team member or anything, just go and look for the person that you would like to move and hover it by your mouse. Then you'll have an option called remove. Just go and click on that and select remove access. Then the final thing you'd like just to choose is clicking at the provision, and your team member will be gone and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.